Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you know a full effect. You don't know it go already, you know. When we aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion, boy. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me, man? Right now, you know. Me no know if you not see it, you know. The government, you know. Then, and you know, the security minister, you know, and the commissioner, them want chat three different things. But I want you to know, say, now watch when you hear them a chat say, you know. The whole of them mix up in the same thing. The government, them control the security force, and them control the justice system. The whole of them underneath one umbrella. So when you hear the security minister talk up his mouth and say, well then I get up people him go target because of them responsible for more than 75% of the crime going on in the country. If not all. You know what I mean? Then you hear the Prime Minister come out and say he want to scrap the done them from the police force because the police them are linked with Dan. And they hear the police them ball out and say all the politician them too. Or the politician them too. So, more honestly say the whole of them mix up in all of them shit there. So, the reason why you hear me I say all of them thing there, you know. Because of them same one a whole out same way why you not hear nothing about vybz kartel appeal, you know. And them same one, you know, the orders that come from them, you know, me I tell you know. Not until them say, you know, before things can go on, you know. So I want for sure to say, you know, I smell hypocrisy all about, you know. And I come for stink up on the brain with it right now, you know. It's why I deal with it, because it look like you now watch what go on, you know. Why them a hold out the man thing so long? Why it a hold out so long? That mean the people them were in place to do this thing. That mean they ain't professional enough. Yeah, they ain't professional enough. This is not what them go to school for. Eh? This is not what them go to school for. Or this is not what them practice. Or them get the proper requirement fulfilled in a them type of space. Yeah. So why them not execute them duty as properly as them should? Listen to me. Over the years in my virgin, I ain't saying they don't have enough. But listen, me not hear them have a policeman, you know, where you hear people rate up, you know, both, you know, rich people, poor people, nigger class people, and say, well then, yo, you know what I mean? Great police officer. Me never say that don't exist in my virgin. But we never hear that come forward yet. You know what I mean? As me never hear them talk about a prime minister and the two party them take off them hat to him. You know what I mean? And give him respect. That's all them all I think about statue business. You see what I deal with? Me not hear that. You see what I deal with? Me not hear that. And the same goes on for the security minister. You never hear that. Nobody come out and say, well then, Ray, this man here is a, you know what I mean? Phenomenal individual and brave. Nothing like that. So why them, what them doing? Like what them doing, you know what I mean? Or what we doing as people when they vote in these people? What are they doing? It's like, you have the blind and lead on the virgin and you can't see. A joke thing, you second for too much joke shit. You know what I mean? Too much lollipop thing was second for. You see what I deal with? The people them abuse them power. And you can easily see it. You know what I mean? Abuse them power to the fullest. You see what I deal with? You know, see one of them stop a ex-policeman and what him do. I spray out the man eye with pepper spray. You know what I mean? And it only through a man did a video live and the brother is a ex-police. Why you think I go on about it? But you can just imagine some people when they are not defense what them do to the people them out the road. Cause you see, you know, how them just spray up the man eye, you know. I saw when them go in at the ghetto, them no ask question, him just come out of them vehicle and bust up here. The real thing me I tell you about. That's why when him go in at the ghetto, him hard to catch a man because as a man hear about police, all when you know do nothing, you tear down the place gone. You cannot make him hold you a real thing me I tell you about. And you can't walk uptown in a certain neighborhood. Them are going to stop you. You know what I mean? Where you come from. You know what I mean? Because normally people don't walk on them road there uptown that a drive people drive. You get locked up. You see what I deal with? That's how them deal with them. But when you're in the ghetto, man, I tell them my brother, you know what I mean? You just at the mercy, man, of police. Whether you're involved in a things or you don't involve in a thing. You can't see them come and stand up. You cannot stand up. You're going to lose your life, my brother. You have to run. Because everybody are run. You know what I mean? Bad man mix up with good people. What you going to do? You have to lift up. You know what I mean? Them man the fire and then them ask question after. A real talk. You see what I say? And you can see the way all the system said. Look on the people them who them have outside so them a serve the law. That's law serving. That's protect. More that's protect and serve. I spray out the big man eye with and the man no physical offense now nothing now go on. You just feel like you're big and mighty and nobody not supposed to talk to you because you're police. You're a man like everybody else. You think that make you superior? I saw the whole of you don't act in the law. The whole of you, politician, police, the government people, them abuse authority. You know what I mean? Look from when this appeal thing are go on. And all now go on like say something bigger than Uno. But it never bigger than Uno when you not prosecute him. It was so easy. You see it? Uno lie to the people them, lie to the people them and prosecute the man. You know what I mean? Lie. You know what I mean? And Uno lie catch up with Uno. And Uno want draw it out. And me no know what now plan up. Because there ain't no Uno can do but free the man, you know. Because everybody know, see what Uno do, you know. Know a lollipop thing Uno go on with, you know. You know what I mean? And the whole entire police, you know talk about scrap mobile reserve, the whole entire police thing for scrap and reorganize again. And that's where all of them man they were in a khaki suit and the man them will lead them. You know what I mean? You know, mix up in a too much folly and too much either thing. You know what I mean? And if that not happen, the same thing I go continue going over and over. And one bad apple spoil the whole bunch. You know what I mean? A be a lollipop thing you know go on with. You know what I mean? I don't know, like you only want to serve justice when it comes on to people in a society. You know what I mean? And people who have name. Yeah, man. And justice will be served. But when it comes on to certain people, I want to listen to what other people say. That's all I do. You know what I mean? You can play a draft with somebody's life. That's all you can, that's all you use on authority and do. Play a draft with people's life. Abuse on authority. That's not how the system's supposed to be, man. The system's supposed to be for the people, man. And stop going like so, for some. You know the general, the 10-star one, you see big time, yesterday, a nigga after 3 man a run down man with gun and a beer gunshot. And all innocent people are get shot. And them look at thing the man a talk about, you know what I mean? Pay more attention to them thing, them a virgin. And leave the people them alone. And let go the world boss right now, my virgin. How long we not go hold the man? How long we not suffer this man for something we don't have nothing, no proof about? And two we not no proof about it, I actually believe with all of me say I'm not doing nothing. Because we don't have no proof whatsoever. You know what I mean? And when you don't want to lock up people like that, you're supposed to have proof for show the public. Show the public. Say, yeah, this man had do this crime and from him do the crime, there no doubt about it. He might forgot do the time if him do the crime. But don't come to the public with no lollipop thing because you don't feel like say, you can't do what you want to do. Abuse no power. You know what I mean? And I come to the public with a lollipop thing. I want to just suck up to it because you are only in the position for the thing. Thing that go like that, my virgin. You know, ugly up the country, my virgin. That's why crime thing can't stop it. Just expand bigger and bigger. You know what I mean? You know make some example, my virgin. You know make some example, man. Be a role model for the people them in the country because no, it's not, my virgin. No, it's not. When you don't want to be a road model, when you don't want to be a road model, whether the prime minister or the opposition, you're supposed to have the both side of party take off them anti and a salute you and I say, yes, my general. You know what I mean? You serve the country well. If the both party them can't do that, una kuno my virgin. Or the general man, the 10-star one. Watch. Free world boss. Watch.